Alright, my good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. That is now me don come your screen with breaking news. Me don come your side with another legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside with nation Nigeria. And the koko now be say some clerics dem wey dey under the umbrella of the concerned Igbo Ministers Commission, they don dey condemn the governors of the southeast region sake of say Nnamdi Kanu wey be the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, he don too dey for detention, he don too dey for the hands of the Department of State Services wey be DSS. So now for inside one open letter wey dey signed by one countryman wey dey go by the name Tony Anthony and another country person wey dey go by the name Tony Osoji, they come dey accuse the southeast governors of betraying the Igbo nations. And no be lie, my good people, this country person so wey follow sign the letter wey be Tony Anthony, he na the President General International Coordinator of the group, while Oga Tony Osoji na their Secretary General. So now for inside the letter wey the group arranged on the 8th day of January for inside this year 2025, they come dey yarn say it don become very much clear or say the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the southeast governors, they don vow to make sure say the Nnamdi Kanu himself wey be the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra no get him freedom. And still on the letter, my good people, the group constantly yarn say for inside last week, Prince Emmanuel Kanu wey be the younger brother to Nnamdi Kanu come dey show the general public the deal wey im get with Sheyi Tinubu wey be the son of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and this deal happened before the 2023 general election. And this deal carried the approval of the now President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And this deal now on how our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu go to release Nnamdi Kanu wey be the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra if he win the presidency. No be small matter like this, my good people. If it be say the brother to Nnamdi Kanu bin get agreement with the son of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on how they go to release Nnamdi Kanu, that is last our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu no honor the deal because e don pass 1 year wey our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu enter office, and up till now Nnamdi Kanu still dey in detention. But still on the matter, my good people, you see this group, so these clerics wey dey under the umbrella of the concerned Igbo Ministers Commission, they no bad break for there at all. They still proceed further go dey sama accuse dey give the governors of the southeast region say na dem cause am, and then they responsible for the insecurity wey the region dey face currently. And the group constantly yarn say na the leaders of the southeast now supposed to press for the release of Nnamdi Kanu from our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But however, them now as a group are now urging all religious leaders to begin to dey raise questions about Nnamdi Kanu, who is yet to be released. That is the group now they call on men that matters, men we get levels for inside the nation Nigeria. So they begin to ask why it be say the federal government never still release Nnamdi Kanu. The group self can't even dey describe the continued detention of Nnamdi Kanu as an outright humiliation of the Igbo people. And you know, say I be don give a report some time ago about the update concerning Nnamdi Kanu matter. Now Nnamdi Kanu don dey yarn say if they no change the trial judge wey be Justice Binta Nyako, say the trial case no go continue. Nnamdi Kanu say don lose confidence in Justice Binta Nyako because Justice Binta Nyako wey be the trial judge dey disobey Supreme Court order. And according to Nnamdi Kanu, he fit understand if the Department of State Services dey disobey court order, but as the trial court now dey disobey the Supreme Court order, the thing just dey pepper am for body. Now why e come back as if Justice Binta Nyako don add ojoro for her judgment. And no be lie, my good people, Supreme Court be don drop judgment say this Nnamdi Kanu case no be case at all. Make them set the man free and make him go in way. But the federal government say lie, they can't carry the matter go trial court. Anyhow the informate be you for body, my good people, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. Meanwhile, me still get another legit intel with them at table like this one need share give the general public. And this matter now about the former Labour Party presidential candidate for inside the 2023 election, and I'm talking about the one and only Mr. Peter Obi. Now you know, say after the gbas between him and Felix Mokpa, he don come outside now they express concern over the rising waves of crimes, particularly kidnappings across the nation. And in the yarn all this level for inside an official social media handle for the popular social media platform we know as X. Now for inside there now the former governor of Anambra State come dey yarn say the escalating wave of kidnappings and unexpected RIP, e no make sense at all and it has left no one untouched. Jaguda men don get confidence to the extent wey be say they fit gbab anybody anywhere at any time, and those kind levels normally e no good, e no make sense. Now Mr. Peter Obi don come outside dey yarn say because of this insecurity palava now wey don dey choke we nation, the thing now don dey use style dey affect the agricultural sector, don dey affect educational sector, and e don even dey affect healthcare sector. He say just recently for here, the manager of the College of Nursing Sciences Iyala bin bear RIP, and just yesterday 2 reverend sisters, one na principal and the other na teacher, they work for different schools for inside Anambra State, they kidnap them. He said these na people wey be say they contribute to our national development through their sacrifices for inside farms, for inside educational and healthcare facilities in different remote villages. He said nothing dey justify these kidnaps them and nothing dey justify the unexpected RIP wey innocent countrymen dey collect. And this worrisome situation dey continue to dey demand the urgent attention from them wey be the leaders. And based on how things dey be so, e reach to wonder say if the cases of kidnappings and RIPs e plenty like this, what about the ones wey tori people no know about? What about the ones wey don happen and there was nobody to witness? What about the ones wey don dey happen and nobody dey to report about the matter? And that na why in dey beg the government make dem use everything wey dey their power, make dem employ every security arsenal at their disposal to end this Jaguda movement, to end these Jaguda people, and to make sure say the countrymen wey they don gbab before they rescue all safe and sound. And instead they beg the Jaguda men wey dey do Jaguda things for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria, so say make dem repent Kanu, make dem get change of heart, and make dem comot body from their evil ways. They no gats burn down our only nation with terror and violence. They no gats do Jaguda business. They no gats destroy this our one and only green white green country wey be Nigeria. So all these my good people now wetin Mr. Peter Obi wey be the former Anambra State governor and the Labour Party their presidential candidate for inside the 2023 election yarn on top the insecurity matter. Anyhow the informate be for body my good people, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. You know, so now we be Anointed Lady TV. Our hobby now to dey give on a legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside the nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to our channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come, now you go first get the updates and you go even receive them sharp. I dey come your side again with another legit intel for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.